Hello everybody, my name is Carl Nelson. Today you will learn about what may become the world's next big manufacturing resource, graphene. I'm pretty sure you're all thinking, doesn't he mean graphite? Or what is he talking about? But no, I don't mean graphite. Let me explain. Graphene is a very thin material made from one atom of carbon, almost transparent and virtually 300 times stronger than steel. Graphene is a very particular material and has many virtues. It can conduct heat and electricity, better than most of the other conductors out there today. But, there's always a but. Graphene does not have an on and off button. As a very thin material, graphene is very stable when exposed to different temperatures, or simply air. Graphene is in a way very similar to paper. They're both thin, both are very useful, but graphene is way more useful than just making aeroplanes. Imagine a knight in shining armor, riding on a horse to battle. A magnificent sight, isn't it? Suppose his armor is made from steel, very thin steel. Now imagine a piece of armor, not even a millimeter thick, that is 300 times stronger than the knight's steel armor. This is what experts and scientists are working on. Now, graphene body armor for the army and special forces. Graphene body armor will take twice the assaulting than the power of Kevlar. To take such a potential, graphene may be used on cars. Over 2.2% of deaths are caused by car crashes, and over $518 million worth of damage. Is it possible to reduce the possibility of deaths and cut the amount of money to fix cars? If there were graphene layers on the car, not only will it be lighter, but also more resistant to air pressure. Another positive prospect is the phones. How many people here have fixed their phone screens because they dropped them? Okay, a few. Let me guess you owned one. You owned iPhones. I knew it. Now, if the phone industries such as HTC, Sony, Samsung, and most importantly Apple, get hold of graphene and cover the phones in a protected layer of graphene, they will be more ground resistant. Now, as we all know, 2/3 of the whole world water isn't drinkable. Imagine every single drop of water drinkable. Geniuses from MIT believe that a thin graphene filter with just wide enough holes can be able to filter salt water out of the water and make it drinkable. This technology will take years, if not decades, to open to the world. Okay, I've told you what is graphene, what is its potential, and the pros and cons of graphene. Now the big question is, how would it affect our culture? As I mentioned, it can be used to make new body armor for special forces, but that is just the beginning. It can make salt water drinkable, but that's still not all of it. It can make all our lives easier. But what if graphene was available to everybody? Sounds good, doesn't it? But notice how many people are fighting for the environment. I guess as some of you sympathize that opinion. Graphene acid nanoparticles are a form of graphene mixed with air particles. This exact particle can be harmful to humans. See, what I've just showed you is a construction site for the state-of-the-art building. The plans are all there, the workers and the machines, but there could be setbacks, or the project might be given up on. Anything is possible, but now you might have an idea of whose side you're on. This will be the last question of the day, and this question only you can answer. Are you pro or against graphene? Thank you for listening. Have a good day.